does he have real grip of the situation? My reply is no, not as a politician, because these days IITians are getting a lot of weightage. There are too many IITians around. My director of IIT Bombay, he is sitting right in front, so he will pardon me because he must have seen too many IITians of different varieties. I can't describe them. They are good. One thing common thread is intelligence. They are intelligent. But that does not mean they make good choices. See, for example, Nandan, making a wrong choice at contract. He is intelligent. He was very good chief executive officer, done an excellent job for himself. But probably you require right timing for everything and right efforts. Ultimately, otherwise, you will end up in the same situation like Aadhaar card has done. My other friend, he made me famous, Arvind Kejriwal. No one knew me much because simplicity, last 20 years I am in politics, and simplicity was my natural behavior. I don't consider it as an advertisement feather. Simplicity या वोट लेने के लिए सिंपल रहना, ये मेरा उसमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. लेकिन जब से केजरीवाल फेमस हो गए, तब से मुझे डिमांड मिलने लगी. बैंगलोर में कई बार आया हूँ, लेकिन मेरे जमाने में मैं जब पॉलिटिक्स में आया, उस समय मुझे याद है पणजी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में मैं इलेक्शन के लिए खड़ा हो गया. तो उसी समय सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, उनको लगा कि इसकी IIT, तब तक मैं IIT की क्वालिफिकेशन इधर भी यूज नहीं किया था. IIT क्वालिफिकेशन का थोड़ा यूज हो सकता है बिकॉज पणजी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी इन गोवा आई रिप्रेजेंट फ्रॉम 94, ये उसमें प्रोफेशनल स्टाफ ही. लेकिन वो जमाना था, उस समय जिस समय IIT लोगों को इतनी मालूम नहीं थी. So someone asked me why they are stressing his educational qualification when there are 12 ITIs in Goa. उसके बाद में मैंने IIT है ये सब कभी बताया नहीं, लेकिन केजरीवाल, suddenly people realize that he is a chief minister who is also an IIT, and probably no, I don't. Someone मीडिया होती है, मीडिया में मेरे सामने डंडा उनका कभी भी सामने कर देते हैं, मशीन गन करते हैं. तो मुझे एक बार मशीन गन सामने कर दिया. मुझे व्हाट इज योर कमेंट ऑन केजरीवाल? नो, आई कांट कमेंट ऑन माय कलीग, बट आई टोल्ड हिम वन स्टोरी व्हिच आई जस्ट रिपीट हियर. मैं जब IIT में था उस समय मेरे विंग में, मतलब हम लोग जिधर रहते थे रूम में, उसके बाजू में एक हमारे साथ में रहने वाला, स्टडी करने वाला एक शख्स था, जिसको आदत थी मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून, शाम, इवनिंग, he needed one peg at least. Now he is a chief executive officer of a big company. So I don't take his name. Not in politics. So you can rule out all those others. तो उस समय स्कॉच वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल, 75 का जमाना है. तो बम्बई में नारंगी और मौसमी बोल के लोकल मिलती. तो सिगरेट भी पीने की आदत थी. एक दिन वो रूम में बैठा था, सिगरेट पी रहा था, ग्लास हाथ में था. दूसरा उसका दोस्त आ गया, the friend came in, both were sitting and chatting for half an hour. तो सडनली दरवाजे पे खटखट हुई. दरवाजा उसने ग्लास टेबल पे रखा, सिगरेट एस्टे में रखी, जाके दरवाजा खोल दिया तो उसका बाप सामने था. वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग सिचुएशन. He is 75. नाउ अगर बाप होता तो उसको बाप को बोलता था चलो you will also take a pig or join together. That's new generation. But that generation did have that difference. So पिताजी को आप बोलने वाले लोग थे, तुम बोलने वाले लोग नहीं. तो when he saw that, he was shocked. He didn't know what to do. But the other friend of his who was sitting with his chatting, He was a teetotaler. He did not smoke, did not drink any time. He used his brain, the IIT brain, picked up the glass, picked up the glass, cigarette, and walked out of the room to his room. Saying, so this actually happened. I'm telling you a reality story. तो उसने किया, उसको मदद किया दोस्तों. पिताजी ने बाद में सब कुछ लाया था, वो दे दिया. माँ ने कुछ खाने के लिए दिया था, वो दिया. पैसा दे दिया और जाते जाते बोला कि आजकल तुम लोग बड़े हो गए, कॉलेज में जाने लगे, बुजुर्गों की सुनते नहीं है, लेकिन मेरी इतनी बात सुनो कि ऐसे लोगों के कंपनी में मत don't stay in company of such students. I don't know where to place Kejriwal. But simplicity is not the concept of delivery. Simplicity is a that you stand on to your character. आपकी जो डिलीवरी करने का ताकत रहती है, लोग आपके ऊपर विश्वास रखते हैं, लोगों के साथ आप विदाउट कुछ बीच में पर्दा डाले बिना यू कैन मिक्स विद पीपल. थोड़े लोगों को ये सच शक्य है. Simplicity can add up to your stand to your character, but it does not anyway specify your ability as an administrator.
Yes.
Therefore, the 49 days saga. मैं दिल्ली में गया था, मेरा पहला प्रोग्राम दिल्ली में था. तो उस समय लोगों को बोला कि हम लोग गोवा में एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स थोड़ा कम कर रहे हैं. And I over a period I intend to totally abolish it. But you are very lucky people. You are getting free entertainment. I don't know. क्या होता है वो काला लगाना पड़ता है सर. मैंने उनको कुछ किया होगा जो 49 days में फ्री एंटरटेनमेंट खत्म हो गया. Now nationwide people are getting it. I'm not going to that kind of thing. We are at crossroad where we have to select a personalities capable of delivering at the center. And a person is very important. A lot of people ask me this question, why only one person? It's not one person. It's one person is making the face for the rest of it. It is delivery system which is important. Manifestos are not important. I can write nice manifesto. But I tell you 2 years back when we wrote manifesto in the state, हम लोगों ने ये भी उसका पूरा फाइनेंशियल जो बैकग्राउंड था उसका भी सोच लिया था. And actually I faced a challenge. Immediately I became, हम लोग सरकार बनाई और 4 महीने में माइनिंग के ऊपर बैन आ गया, जिसके कारण 25% of the state revenue was lost. Now एक फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस सामने था, तो हम लोगों ने जो प्रॉमिस किया था, इफ आई टेल यू, you may all be tempted to come down and settle in Goa. I don't have enough space there. So better to elect Modi, because by prices of petrol is 60 rupees in Goa. I don't know what is the price in Bangalore.
80 rupees. 70.
80. Around 80. So your state government is taking away 20 rupees from your pocket with every liter of petrol there. Now with Modi at center, you can hope to get this price down, even if the state government remains like this, because this price is directly linked with dollar. Atal ji जब गए उस समय dollar 37 rupees था. The real value of dollar is even 25 rupees. Purchase power parity अगर आप ले लें तो dollar is nothing beyond 25 rupees. I still remember Mahajan telling me in 2002 when I was Chief Minister of the state that it would be golden day for India when rupee is accepted as an international currency in par with dollar, euro and many other currencies. Why not?
Yeah, we're hoping for it.
Slowly yen is becoming a acceptable currency in many places, and probably China who doesn't want it as an international currency. That's why they are restricting it. There is no free trade of yen versus dollar. And that is the reason, because they want to export more. लेकिन जब आप अच्छी सरकार दे देंगे, उस समय I am pretty sure this dollar which had gone up to 67 can come down to at least 50, if not 45. And that is good economics, and that is towards moving towards the real value of rupee. 67 था, अभी 60 तक आ गया. Just imagine, आने वाला है मोदी, इसके लिए नीचे डॉलर आने लगा. I saw yesterday the government PT foreign exchange PT has crossed back again 300 billion mark because of foreign direct investment which is flowing in over last 2-3 weeks. And anticipation itself is giving a positive vibe to the economy. The economy basically, how will you get a growth rate? Your coal mines are shut. You don't have courage to go before the court and tell them that we will do this, because if you go before the court, they will send you to the jail. It is not job of the courts to administer mining policy of this government. But this government is in total chaos. And it is an unpleasant scenario where the Supreme Court has to monitor. I think it is job of the government to monitor, but monitor it with transparency. Wherever you show that transparency, there is oppression. आप पावर परचेस कर रहे हैं, इधर घरेलू पावर की क्या कीमत है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन करीबन 4 रुपया होगी. What is your domestic? They are 1 to 20% more. For the first 150 units, 1 to 60 paisa for the next up to 500 units, and it is 2 to 20 paisa about 250 units for residential. Electricity department in Goa does not make loss, but it has first time come in red because of this coal scam. Because of coal scam, the NTPC power, thermal power stations are charging surcharges now for imported coal, which is 3 to 4 times the Indian coal prices. So, इधर से mine बंद, export बंद, वहाँ से coal बंद. So we are importing iron ore, we are importing coal. The nation is poorer by $30 billion in terms of foreign exchange. Why will your dollar not rise? You are paying more for petroleum product because of it. You have to have a good industrial mining, everything policies, and your dollar will start coming down, your petroleum prices also will start coming. So you can also get a cheaper petrol. I don't know whether your state government will have the guts to reduce the VAT like I did. In spite of losing 25% of revenue, we brought petrol to 5 paisa per liter. Tax is 5 paisa. That is also for monitoring. Otherwise, you lose the record. So we have just kept 5 paisa tax. Now it is 6 paisa, 0.1% tax on the petroleum product. It's not only petroleum product. I have got speech which if I just start rattling out, you will get shock of your life. Every girl when she attains 18, she gets 1 lakh rupee deposit. Every girl in the state. Or when those who have already crossed 18, when they are getting married. Because I found it is not populistic scheme. They are popular scheme, but not populistic. Popular because obviously they are going to be popular, because if someone gets 1 lakh rupees, obviously the scheme is going to be popular, but they are not populistic. The reason of this scheme was very clear. We started it within 3 months of coming to power, not near the election. Because I found in 2011 census in Goa, so-called well-educated state with 92% literacy level, girls to boys ratio at 938 to 1000. There are 2 issues. Where are the 62 girls missing? We are talking about women empowerment. Start it from the bottom. In an educated state, if the girl is thought as a burden on the society, there is something wrong in our society. The social problem which will come after 20 years or 25 years when they marry, and 62 boys per 1,000 will have no girl to marry is a different issue altogether. But it is going to happen after 25 years. I am a student of genetics. I love genetics very much, and I know very much that generations has to face this social problem. So, हमारे इसमें बेटी धनाजी बेटी, that means a girl is considered as a Lakshmi. I introduced this scheme to make it realize that at 18, when a girl turns 18, the family gets 1 lakh for her education, for her business, and if required for the marriage. We need to empower. I am very happy to inform you that the ratio has now changed to 960 to 1. And slowly that equality concept is coming in. Even the poor section slowly realizes that girl has to be treated with the same stature. In fact, sometimes girl can be more beneficial to the father. They take care more. The boy is not made. But anyway, you have to keep it's not only talking, you have to get it done. We have a scheme where every housewife gets 1,000 rupees as an inflation bonus. The central government talks of cash transfer. I started cash transfer in 2002 under DSS. Every age, about senior citizen, widow, differently able kid gets between 2,000 to 3,500 rupees per month pension, and mind you, 28% of the families in the state benefit out of it. It's not a very small program. It's counting 28%. Every married woman gets 1,000 rupees per month in her bank account, cash transfers. So instead of running those PDS schemes where a lot of leakages takes place, you can have this kind of scheme. What I am trying to talk about is ultimately manifestos are what you deliver. They cannot be what you talk and keep quiet about it. I don't understand what Rahul talks as it is. He says, देखिए, मैं 4 बार देखा. Then he says, सोचिए. I tried to think. I never understood what he said. नींद आ रही थी, तो भी मैं बैठा. Well, I missed his last interview and realized that this interview, though the interviewer was getting jittery about his answers, probably there was slight more coaching. No originality.
Kindergarten interview.
I pity the fellow. But India deserves better. India doesn't deserve. It is not definitely to be charitable to him, it is definitely not more than average. This is my reading about the leader, which Congress is presenting, or Congress is shying away. You can't keep leaders hidden like this. Leader has to have natural ability. And therefore, when India is at crossroad, we have to be very clear that there has to be someone sitting there who is capable along with his group. See, mind you, a lot of people say Gujarat, Modi is only one. My question is very simple. Last 9 months, from September, Modi ji is moving all around the country, campaigning, and still Gujarat is running, is it not? Why you tell me still running equally well? That means there is a second in command, there are other people who may not be the face. It always happens that one person when he delivers well, he becomes the face. The same allegation comes against me in Goa. But people don't walk out and vote with 78% for Lok Sabha. Last Lok Sabha in Congress regime was 56%. So we got 22% right. Unless they are motivated to vote. Unless they are motivated by the government to go out and vote. Or by someone. So basically you are getting 10-12% right everywhere across the country. So we can very well add 10% additional because of my government in Goa. And Definitely, I am in the space of it. I can't, though I don't intend many times, it does appear. And government advertisement, I don't allow my face to be posted on government advertisement. But party I will have to, because if it attracts more vote, definitely they will come. But we need governments which can deliver the manifesto. It's not only manifesto. So you understand very clearly, simplicity is good, but deliverable is important, character is important. And how does deliverable come? It has to come to the same system. Many times the problem is, it is same system through which once one big industrialist in CIMT called me as the chief executive of Goa. Goa का chief executive था. मैं बोला आप chief executive रखिए, because you can change your colleagues and you can also decide your subordinates. मेरे इसमें मैं हमारे मेरे colleagues select नहीं करता हूँ, लोग करते हैं. They all agree elected. जैसे लोग elect करते हैं उनको, वैसे वो आ जाता है. उसकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है मैं जज नहीं कर सकता हूँ. प्री जज वेरी रेयरली होता है. One concept which Rahul was trying to explain is selection of candidate to public, more participation. I think to a point, he has a point there, but he was not able to explain it properly. He was trying to compare it with presidential. एक बार आप कर रहे हैं presidential type का, ओबामा का कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो बाद में मोदी में क्या फर्क रही? हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं. इस राष्ट्र में पर्सनैलिटी डज काउंट, और पर्सनैलिटी भी होगी तो 120 करोड़ के लोगों में कोई ऐसा ही एक आदमी चुन के नहीं सबको ला सकता है. जिसके साथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहता है, टीम रहती है, सब लोग रहता है. केवल अकेला फेस रहेगा, लेकिन अकेला आदमी कुछ नहीं कर सकेगा. इतना बड़ा देश, ये छोटा नहीं है. गोवा में मैं अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो पूरे देश में 120 करोड़ में कौन करेगा. लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान में रखिए, सेम ब्यूरोक्रेसी से आपको लेना. ब्यूरोक्रेसी, यू कैन सी दैट बॉटल ऑफ वाटर, 2 बॉटल्स है. दूर से आपको किसमें पानी है किसमें पानी नहीं है और कौन सा आधा भरा है समझेगा नहीं. बिकॉज ब्यूरोक्रेसी इज लाइक दैट वाटर. इट डजंट हैव कलर, इट डजंट हैव शेप. अलग अलग कंपनी का अलग अलग बॉटल की शेप रहती है. पानी ऐसा ही शेप में आता है. उसको टेस्ट नहीं है. पानी को आप पीते हैं, टेस्ट कुछ लगता नहीं, बास नहीं है उसको. कलरलेस, ऑर्डरलेस. बेसिक केमिकल केमिस्ट्री में जब लिक्विड सीखते हैं उस समय पानी का गुण क्या है, तो उसमें रंग नहीं, रूप नहीं, बास नहीं, आकार नहीं. ब्यूरोक्रेसी लाइक दैट. यू उसमें अगर आप शरबत डालें बॉटल में, तो it will taste good, sweet. So मोदी जी का शरबत डालो, आपको अच्छा सरकार मिलेगी. लेकिन अगर आपने उसमें पॉइजन डाल दिया तो आपको कांग्रेस की सरकार. मुझे याद है एक स्टोरी आई टेल वेरी ऑफन, comes to my mind again, how bureaucracy functions. There is a big city with a big zoo, and the zoo has 2 lions in it. अभी 2 lions है, तो उसमें से one of the lion is caught from the jungle and brought in the zoo. दूसरा जो lion है, वो दूसरे zoo में उसका जन्म हुआ था, inbred. zoo में ही बड़ा हुआ था और बाद में यहाँ आया था. So one who was caught from the jungle is to always tease the other one. तुमने कभी जंगल देखा नहीं, कभी कभी शिकार नहीं की, खाते हो तो फेंका हुआ मटन खाते हो, पकड़ के लाया हुआ मटन नहीं. मैंने जिंदगी में वही पकड़ के लाया, मेरा प्रेम खाया. अभी पकड़ा गया तो इसके लिए इधर आ गया, लेकिन तुम डरपोक हो, तुमको कुछ जमेगा नहीं. One night the zookeeper forgets to lock it. उसको लॉक लगाने को भूल गए, तो ये दोनों बाहर आ गए. दरवाजा खुला था, बाहर आ गए. अभी फ्रीडम मिल गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली द वन हु वाज कॉट फ्रॉम जंगल सेज दैट मैं जंगल में भाग जाता हूँ, मुझे वापिस ये लोग पकड़ नहीं सकेंगे, करके जंगल में भाग गए. दूसरे ने कहा मुझे जंगल से डर लगता है. Circumstances can even make a lion scared of jungle. You can understand Manmohan Singh many times. उसके नाम में सिंह है, इसके लिए मैं sin is liar. But circumstances made him to virtually not open his mouth. आज व्हाट्सएप पे जोक चल रहा है